PEZ International, you and I, we have words to share. But first, what's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZbook channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. There you can reach PEZ International and let them know. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's right, International PEZ is vegan. Forgot about that. All right, here's the bone I have to pick with PEZ International. Now focus here. Thank you. These little plastic bubbles do not hold onto the packs very well. And they slide around. See them sliding around in the pack? No matter how many times I beat on it, I can't get them both back in. Maybe? Maybe? No. I'm trying though. Nope, that didn't do it. So, I'm fine. Get one of these. Hey! I did it! Ah! PEZ International! I pulled back my comments. I found out how to fix it. So if you have candy, this video took a disturbing turn. Oh. So if you have one of these dispensers on a foreign card and the candies have worked up there, that's all you have to do. Pull out your video camera, talk some smack about PEZ International, and then they'll go back into their place. So that way you have to apologize to PEZ International, even though it's a bad design flaw. Ta-da! He's laughing so hard, he's crying. So until next time.